Hey everyone, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive?
Always. What are we looking at today?
Well, you know how we're always glued to our screens?
Uh-huh.
This one's about one website in particular, JungleTV, and a study looking at what it might, be doing to our brains.
Interesting. I spend a lot of time online. Pretty much everyone does these days, right?
Exactly. And that's why this study kind of caught my eye. They're saying there might be some, let's say, unintended consequences to all that JungleTV time.
Unintended? Like what?
Like messing with our thinking, especially memory.
Whoa, hold on. Seriously, from just like watching videos and stuff.
Yeah, that's what they're suggesting.
Yeah.
The study looked at folks who use JungleTV a lot.
How much is a lot?
Over an hour a day.
Okay, so like a good chunk of time.
Right. And they gave them all these tests, to check memory, focus, that kind of thing.
I'm guessing the results weren't pretty.
Not exactly. They found that, the more someone was on JungleTV, the worse they did on those tests, especially the memory ones, which is kind of scary when you think about it.
You're telling me. So wait, what exactly were people forgetting? Like appointments or what?
All sorts of stuff. But here's the crazy part. Some people in the study, get this, actually forgot to come back for more testing.
Wait, what? They forgot they were in a study about forgetting things.
Yeah, kind of ironic, right? I mean, it's almost funny, but also like kind of alarming.
Definitely concerning. It makes you wonder if those folks ever got their memory back or if it was, more of a permanent thing.
Exactly. That's what we don't know. And that's why more research is so important. But hold on, it gets even more complicated because turns out a lot of the people in the study were also hanging out on Discord.
Ah, see, now that throws a wrench in things.
Right. Because Discord, has its own reputation.
Yeah.
Some people call it the brain rot app, and who knows, maybe they have a point.
So how can they tell if it's JungleTV, Discord, or both that's causing the problems?
Well, that's the problem. This study didn't really separate the two. They need to do more research with, maybe one group only using JungleTV and another only using Discord.
Like a control group for each one. Makes sense. So where does this leave us? What's the takeaway here?
Well, the study basically says, until we know more, maybe just avoid JungleTV.
Just cold turkey, huh?
It sounds extreme, but they're talking about, protecting our brains. It's not something to take lightly.
Fair enough. Makes you think, though, doesn't it? I mean, what about all the other apps and sites we use? Could they be doing something similar without us even realizing it?
Right. Like, where does it end? It's definitely something to think about.
It really is.
Well, that's all the time we have for today's deep dive. Be sure to stick around for the next one. Who knows what we'll uncover.
I'm sure it'll be interesting. See you next time.
See ya.